What's up everybody, CP here. Welcome back to yet another video. Today is a fun day. I have to teach you some important dictionary methods, and at the end of this video I will give you some programming tips to improve your programming. So stay tuned for that. Now let's roll the intro. So you can see here I have a dictionary called PUBG on my screen, and I want to print out some items like print PUBG weapon, and if I run this, then Python is going to say you have M416. What if I want to find the item like skin? And if I run this, Python will give me error because there is no item called skin. If we coding for game like PUBG and under that team I have 1000 lines of code, so when I type skin it gives me error. So we need to avoid that. Then we need to use get method. When Python goes to interpreter, it checks code line by line. If the line get error, then it stop, and so we need to use get method. For example, PUBG.get and the name of item, that is skin. If I run this, then you can see here the output is none because there is no item called skin. If no skin in the program and we still want to have some default value for that skin, so you can do like skin comma red, and if I run this, you can see here the output is red because we put some default value for that skin if the skin item does not present in the dictionary. What if I add the skin item in it and the value for skin is pink, and if I run this, then Python is going to say the skin color is pink. By default it will give you a value which store in PUBG dictionary. This case doesn't exist. The next method is dict. By using dict we can create a dictionary. For example, name is equal to dict the key name, that is CP, and the value is 21. And if I run this, then Python is going to say I created a dictionary called name, and that dictionary you have CP key and the value of that CP is 21. You can see here this CP is not in string. When we run this code, it automatically converted in string format like this. The next method is in. If you want to find if element in the dictionary is available or not, use in method. Example, print skin in PUBG. If I run this, Python is going to say that's right, the skin is present in this PUBG dictionary. If I search for hello and I run this, then you can see the output is false because there is no such thing as hello in this PUBG dictionary. There is another method to find key present in the list or not. Example, PUBG.key. Then Python is going to say false because there is no such thing as a hello. If I type skin instead of hello and run this, then you can see here the output is true because the skin key is available in the dictionary. The key method is only for to find the key like username, KD ratio, weapon, team name, team member, and skin. You can also use value method to find the value. Instead of using key, you can use values. And if I run this, Python is going to say false because in this dictionary there is no skin value. We have skin key but we don't have skin value. If I replace this pink with skin and again run this code, the value become true because the skin is present in the dictionary. The another one that is very useful is item. It's special because item grabs entire item, like print PUBG dot item, and if I run this, then Python is going to say you have dictionary items like username, KD ratio, weapon, team name and skin, but it returns the output in the form of tuples. I know you don't know about tuples. In future video we are gonna cover tuples, so stay tuned for that. The next method is clear. So what it does, it clears a list. Example, PUBG dot clear and print PUBG. If I run this, you can see here I got the empty dictionary because I don't have any items present in the dictionary. This clear method cleared all the items from this dictionary. The next one is copy. From name you already know what copy does. If I want to delete PUBG dictionary and copy all the information from that dictionary to another dictionary, so I'm gonna type PUBG 2 is equal to PUBG dot copy and print PUBG dot clear and print that is PUBG dictionary 2. If I run this, then you can see here the PUBG 2 dictionary is printed out in the form of dictionary. There is also a pop method we seen in list, and it removes any key and value from the dictionary. For example, PUBG dot pop skin. If I run this, then you can see here the skin item is popped out from dictionary. If I print that dictionary, you can see here there is no item called skin in that dictionary. There is also a pop item method. With pop item, we can remove any element randomly because dictionary is ungrouped. If this dictionary is too large, then it automatically removes any random item and with key and value. For example, pop item and I don't have to pass any elements. If I run this, you can see here the skin item is popped out from this dictionary. And the last one is update. As name suggests, it updates the key value. For example, print PUBG dot update age and the value is 21, and just print out PUBG dictionary. And if I run this, then Python is going to say I added the age, that is 21. So we done with the dictionary methods. So it is time to tell you some tips to improve your programming skills. Once you choose your goal, work on them as much as possible. The more you practice, the more you learn. Learning to code is a skill and you can compare it to doing sport. If you want to be good at it and perform well at work, you should practice a lot. Try to practice coding daily, during a lunch break or after work, even if it is only for 1 hour. If you create a habit and stick to it, you will see daily improvements. Repetition is mother of learning, the father of action, which makes it the architect of accomplishment. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video, smash the subscribe button if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.